Unlock a world of incredible deals and a seamless shopping experience right from your phone by installing the Temu app. First, if you're using an iPhone or an iPad, head over to your device's App Store. Tap the search icon at the bottom right of the screen and then tap the search bar at the top. Type in Temu and press the search button on your keyboard. You'll see the Temu app pop up in the search results. Look for the app with the distinctive orange and white Temu logo. Now, tap the Get button next to the Temu app. You might be prompted to authenticate with your Apple ID password, Face ID, or Touch ID. The app will then download and install automatically onto your device. If you're using an Android phone or tablet, navigate to your Google Play Store. Tap the search bar at the top of the screen and enter Temu, then press the search icon. Find the Temu app in the search results, identified by its orange and white logo. Tap the Install button. Your device will then download and set up the Temu app. Once the installation is complete, you'll see the Temu app icon on your phone's home screen or in your app drawer. Tap the icon to open the Temu app. You can now browse a vast selection of products, from clothing and electronics to home goods and more, all at incredibly competitive prices. The app is designed for mobile shopping convenience, allowing you to easily discover deals, manage your orders, track shipments, and even connect with customer support directly from your smartphone. Creating an account is simple, and you'll soon be enjoying streamlined access to the latest discounts and savings available on Temu. Start saving and shopping smarter today.